On the other side of the screen, you see me exploring transcendental irrational numbers, pi, specifically on Wikipedia, which is part of how I will use technology. Wikipedia, all other websites, including artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, which I show later in the same video, and help students of all ages learn math creatively using artificial intelligence, using technology. And the idea is to have a 5 module course, 5 modules, and have 1 hour of Zoom sessions where I go through these concepts depending on the level of the child. Now, if the child is younger, we will go into some of basics, even if we need to addition, multiplication, division, depending on what level the child is, up to things like sequences, series, and more complex series like harmonics and things that are fun. And how we use technologies, we go to Wikipedia, search something like I'm doing pi, find something interesting, click on it, and I explain that in a way that the student will understand, so that it's not just for the sake of it, it's to gratify the thirst of knowledge. That's the purpose. And this, in my experience, opens doors of just not just curiosity, but also areas of the mind that is related, I believe, to inventing and discovering new things. And this also helps in getting used to technology, realizing that so many things are at your fingertips and you just have to go and do it. Use the resources that we have. Like Wikipedia is so fantastic and underused, I believe, and so is ChatGPT. Even though it's new, it can be used for so many things, like I'm doing on the other screen. So coming back to the summer course, which I'm going to hopefully continue depending on the response, the creative math using artificial intelligence is meant to be a certificate course that I've thought of. Depending on how much work the student puts, I'm considering giving a certificate called the Young Math Artist for students, because every week I plan to meet for 1 hour on Zoom, where after that the student is expected to submit a report. Depending on the age of the student, the length of the report will vary, but definitely there needs to be work done between classes, and if required I can meet for another half an hour just to give feedback and guidance. Emails can go back and forth, and WhatsApp if the parents allow it. So one hour a week where I do the concepts at class, maybe another half an hour in the same week for feedback of the report, and this is intended to continue for 5 weeks, after which a certificate will be given if the student does well. Now, there could be arguments that say that this is not school related thing. That's why I'm introducing this in the summer, so that the school curriculum is not going on. But it is linked to the school curriculum, but I don't want that to be the criterion for someone taking up this course for their child. This is meant to be something for fueling curiosity, for fueling the resources that we have of not just Wikipedia and all the internet, but also artificial intelligence. That the fact that ChatGPT, it does hallucinate once in a while. I asked it about a sequence earlier today, and it gave me the wrong nth term formula. But with a certain level of expertise, ChatGPT is fantastic. And the internet also, if you have the inclination, like Wikipedia, the best part is in a page, the bits that have another page are linked. So you can just click on it and keep going, and you will quench your curiosity in some way and hopefully find something that is super useful. You never know what will become useful when. So if you are inclined and if you do have the time and the resources, definitely the Young Math Artist Certificate Program, which is synonymous with creative math using artificial intelligence this summer for your child. That's something that I am really excited about offering. I hope that many parents will consider it and talk to me about it, because this is new territory. No one's doing this. I did do this for a handful of students in the past 3 years, but I'm introducing it in a way that is slightly different this time, and hopefully the 5.0 version of it. Yeah, talk to me if I can help, or if you want more information. Otherwise, bye for now.